Hello. In this lesson, we're going to be discussing what are the names of the different rooms in a house and different furniture or object items you may find in each room. What does this look like to you? In Turkish, you may say mutfak, but in English, we call this a kitchen. You have your kitchen sink. You have your stove. You have your kitchen cabinets. And you have other assorted dishes or other things you may use. This looks like a bathroom, or you may say lavabo. You have your toilet. You have a bathtub. You have a bath towel. You have a sink. Bathroom sink. Mirror. Ayna. Mirror. You have hand towels. This is our bedroom. You have your bed. Pillows. Comforters. And blankets. These perde are curtains. And this is a lamp. This is your light. And this is your bedside lamp. This is what we call a nightstand. On top of our nightstand, this looks like it's a box of tissues. And this is our balcony door. Balcony door and balcony window leading to our balcony. This is our living room where most of the living is done. You can see there's a TV here with surround sound speakers. There's 2 lamps. There's a few couches. And some sliding curtains, as well as a plant and some decoratory items, such as pictures. This is the dining room, where most of the food is being eaten. It's not eaten in the kitchen, it's eaten in the dining room. That's where they dine, they eat. Here you have your dining room table and dining room chairs. This is a nice little fireplace. Not normally found in the dining room, but in the living room. But in this case, it's found in the dining room. Lots of nice fine china. And your dishes and eating utensils. Candlestick holders. This is your laundry room. In some areas of United States or English-speaking countries, they tend to have a washer and then a dryer. Because in some times of the world, it does tend to get cold out in snowy areas, and therefore people tend to use machines to dry their clothes. And then here are some other cleaning items, such as detergent, bleach, etc., etc., that you might find. Clothing softeners. And this is our lesson for today. Rooms in a house and items you may find in each one.